Hey everyone, welcome back to your go-to place for the latest in motorcycling, tech, and everything in between. If you're a fan of performance bikes, especially in the entry-level sport bike category, then you're in for a treat today. We're diving into one of the most anticipated releases of 2026, the Yamaha R15 V5. But before we get into all the juicy details about this highly awaited motorcycle, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss any updates on the latest bike releases, reviews, and all things motorsports. Alright, let's get started. So, first things first. If you've been living under a rock, the Yamaha R15 is one of the most iconic and beloved bikes in the 150cc segment, and it has been a staple for aspiring riders for years now. It's a bike that's been consistently refined by Yamaha, offering a balance between performance, styling, and affordability. The R15 V4, which we're all familiar with, took the R15 series to new heights with its enhanced performance and aggressive design. But today, we're talking about what's next, the Yamaha R15 V5. Now there's no official launch just yet, but rumors are swirling, and the bike world is buzzing. So let's talk about what we can expect from the 2026 Yamaha R15 V5. Let's start with the design. If you're a fan of the R15's sharp, aerodynamic styling, the V5 is going to blow your mind. Expect a more aggressive and refined front end. The headlights, which were already pretty sleek on the V4, are getting a slight tweak. We're talking slimmer LED units with a more futuristic look. The YZF series' signature twin-eye design is likely to remain, but with a sharper edge, making the bike even more menacing on the road. Now, the bodywork is expected to be more sculpted, inspired by the larger R7 and R1 models. This means the fairing will likely have a more angular shape, improving aerodynamics and giving the bike an even sportier stance. We could also see new color schemes, possibly offering some matte and metallic options. Yamaha is known for its bold paint jobs, and we're definitely expecting the V5 to offer something striking. Alright, now let's talk about what really matters, the engine. The Yamaha R15 V4 has already been a performance beast in its category with its 155cc single-cylinder engine, producing around 18 to 19 horsepower. But what about the V5? Well, there's a strong possibility that Yamaha will boost the engine's output even further. We could be looking at an engine that's closer to 20 horsepower, thanks to improved tuning and perhaps a higher compression ratio. This would be a significant jump in power for the R15, making it even more competitive in the market. Also, we may see the inclusion of a variable valve timing system, like Yamaha's VVA, a variable valve actuation, tech, to offer better torque delivery and fuel efficiency across the rev range. This would also make the V5 more accessible to a wider range of riders, from beginners to more seasoned enthusiasts. The powertrain will likely stay a 6-speed gearbox, but Yamaha could also fine-tune the gear ratios to make the bike feel more connected and responsive. And let's not forget about the inclusion of slipper clutch technology. It's becoming a standard in modern sport bikes, and would be a welcome upgrade for smooth downshifts and cornering. Next up, let's talk about handling. The R15 V4 already handles superbly, but Yamaha is expected to refine the suspension even further on the V5. Expect the same 37mm telescopic front fork, but it might come with adjustable preload and compression damping options. This would allow you to tune the suspension to your specific needs, whether you're commuting or taking it to the racetrack. At the rear, a linked-type monoshock setup should still be present. However, there's speculation that the shock absorber may be tuned for a more planted feel at high speeds and improved comfort during city riding. In addition, a slight weight reduction could make the V5 even more nimble and agile on tight corners. When it comes to wheels, the V5 will likely carry over the 17-inch rims from the V4, but we might see even lighter alloy wheels to enhance cornering and acceleration performance. Safety is always a top priority for Yamaha, and with the R15 V5, expect the company to take it up a notch. The V5 will most likely be equipped with dual-channel ABS as standard, offering better braking performance and safety. The front brakes will probably continue with a 282mm disc, while the rear may remain at 220mm, but with improved calipers for more stopping power. Yamaha is also expected to include new electronics in the R15 V5. This could mean traction control, cornering ABS, and maybe even launch control for the ultimate performance. These upgrades will make the bike even more confidence-inspiring for newer riders, while still appealing to experienced riders who enjoy pushing the limits. Now, let's move on to the technology side of things. The R15 has always been a great bike in terms of tech for its class, and the V5 is expected to raise the bar once again. For starters, the V5 will likely feature an updated instrument cluster. Expect a full TFT display, similar to what we've seen in the R7 and the MT-15. This display will provide more information at a glance, such as real-time fuel efficiency, lap timers, and possibly even an integrated phone app for tracking performance metrics. It's going to be sleek, modern, and easy to read. Yamaha may also add a few riding modes: Sport, Rain, and Street, that adjust throttle response, traction control, and power delivery, giving you the flexibility to adapt to different riding conditions. There could even be Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to sync your phone with the bike and access call notifications and navigation directly through the display. Let's not forget about fuel efficiency, a key concern for a lot of riders, especially in the 150cc segment. With the improved engine tech and a more aerodynamic design, the 2026 R15 V5 should offer better mileage. Compared to the V4, Yamaha could tweak the fuel injection system to make it more efficient and provide riders with more miles per tank. Expect a range of approximately 35 to 40 kilometers per liter, which is excellent for both city and highway riding. So, with all these amazing updates, what about the price? While nothing is set in stone just yet, we can expect the V5 to be priced slightly higher than the V4. Given the upgraded features and tech, we're probably looking at a price range of around Rs 1.80 to Rs 2 lakh in India, and similar pricing for other markets like Southeast Asia and Europe. As for competitors, the R15 V5 will continue to compete with bikes like the KTM RC 125, Suzuki GSX-R 150, and the Honda CBR 150R. However, with its expected upgrades, the V5 is likely to hold a significant edge in terms of performance and technology. Well folks, that's everything we know so far about the 2026 Yamaha R15 V5. Yamaha is undoubtedly gearing up to release something special that will continue its legacy of excellence in the 150cc sport bike category. With its sleek design, enhanced performance, improved safety features, and modern tech, the V5 looks set to be a game-changer. If you're as excited as I am for its release, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Do you think the R15 V5 will live up to the hype? And what features are you most looking forward to? Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already for more updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ride safe and keep revving those engines.